Most people say they have a problem with sleep and they just blame it on unluckiness or some other factor that is out of their control, but the real problem is their habits that lead to their sleep. Today I'm going to break down the 7 habits that silently destroy your sleep and how to fix these habits. Before we get to the 7 habits, we first need to understand why sleep is so important for our health and longevity, and why it's one of the most important things in our lives. I will give you 3 reasons why sleep is so important for our health, but there are of course more than 3, but I'll just give 3 quickly. The first one, it supports healthy brain function and helps the brain detoxify from the waste that is building up from our brain. The second one is that sleep helps maintain physical and mental health. Your immune system, your muscles, your bones, and your nervous system can relax when you sleep. The third reason is that sleep makes you live longer. There was a study where they found that the duration and the quality of sleep adds years to people's lives. I will link the study below if you want to check it out. And here's the reason: if your sleep is not on point, then your physical, mental, and performance is greatly demolished. Okay, let's talk about the 7 habits that are bad for your sleep and how to actually fix them. The first bad sleep habit that most people do is that they don't get natural light in their eyes. Most people wake up, they scroll on their phone, they don't want to even go outside. Maybe it's windy, maybe it's snowy, it's cold outside, they don't want to go outside. But if you go outside, you get natural light in your eyes, which tells your body that it's daytime and it's time to be alert and active. The quick fix to do it: just go outside, be 5 to 20 minutes outside, just look at the clouds, just be outside, and you will get the natural benefits that come from the sun. And if you can, don't use sunglasses, because sunglasses block most of the light that is good for us that comes from the sun. So just be outside. Contact lenses and glasses are fine, but no sunglasses. The second bad habit that you might be doing is that you drink caffeine too late in the day. Caffeine can stay in your body for around 12 hours, and most of the coffee's effects last for around 6 hours, and the other half for 4 to 6 hours. So if you drink caffeine too late in the day, you might not be able to fall asleep when you actually want to sleep. So the quick fix is to drink caffeine in the first 2 to 4 hours after waking up, so you can be alert during the day and be more relaxed in the evening when you actually want to go to sleep. Drink coffee, not energy drinks, because energy drinks are basically full of chemicals that are not good for your body and are not meant to be in your body. So try drinking coffee 2 to 4 hours after waking up. The next habit that silently destroys your sleep is that you don't move enough during the day. Your body needs movement, and it's actually good for you if you move during the day, but most people don't. And when you don't move enough during the day, then your body won't be able to build something called sleep pressure. Sleep pressure is your desire to be asleep and to go to sleep. And if you don't move during the day, you may feel mentally tired, but not physically tired, which is actually your body's need. The quick fix is to aim for around 6 to 10,000 steps per day. Of course, cardiovascular exercise and weight training is absolutely the best way to do to be more tired after training. But even if you just walk for around 6 to 10,000 steps, your body will be more tired and you actually want to go to sleep. The fourth habit is that most people eat too much too close to their bedtime. Your body actually prefers to sleep on an empty stomach, but of course not a fully empty stomach, because if you're going to bed and you feel like you want to eat, then you won't be able to sleep, because all you think about is how to get more food in your body. If you eat too late, your temperature rises, your body digests the food, and you can fall into deep sleep. The quick fix is to have a last meal around 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. But of course, sometimes you feel hungry, so you can eat little snacks, maybe some fruit, maybe some nuts, But don't eat protein because your body digests protein longer than carbs. The fifth bad habit that most people do is that their room is too warm. Your body needs to cool down in order to fall asleep and stay asleep. And if your room is too warm, then you can't fall asleep, you will be tossing and turning around, and you won't get much needed sleep. The quick fix for that is to put your temperature of your room to 16 to 20 degrees Celsius or 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, warm shower 1 hour before bed can help your body to cool down, and it will help you fall asleep faster. So try that. The next habit is evening stimulation. If you scroll on your phone or do other things, you're basically telling your body and your brain that you don't want to go to sleep and you want to stay active. Examples of stimulation are playing video games, watching TV, scrolling on your phone, doing school homework or some work tasks, or maybe even loud music. The fix for that is to create a night routine that you can stick to and you will actually follow it. So try to have no screens for around 1 hour before bed to help your brain calm down. The last habit that you might be doing is that you let too much artificial light in your eyes during the night. I talked about it in my previous video, but basically blue light tells your body and your brain that it's still daytime and it's time to be active. And your sleep hormone called melatonin suppresses instantly. Phone, TV, laptop, even bright LED lights can greatly demolish your sleep. So try to dim down lights for around 1 to 2 hours before going to bed and put on a night mode on your phone, on your computer to help block out the blue lights that are coming from your phone and your PC. And try to avoid phone in bed so you will relax more and even just read a book, whatever, just be more relaxed. Start by fixing one of these habits. Maybe it's eating too close to bedtime. Try to limit that and I promise you your sleep will get better. Then you can take the next bad habit that you might be doing and try to fix that, and so on and so forth. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or topics that you want me to cover, please let me know in the comment section below. Have a nice day and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.